y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Here, as you can see, this is my first do-it-yourself project, so I am super excited. As you will see behind me, I have approximately 4 boxes. I do have 5, but the 5th one isn't done yet. So I kind of want to let you guys know what I did, or what I am going to do to propose to my girls, as my guy proposed to me. And so I'm gonna have like kind of like a surprise party. My fiance is gonna have his groomsmen come over. They're not gonna know. They're gonna think it's like a regular everyday night. Probably gonna play games and watch movies and kind of just relax, you know. And then we're gonna fall down on one knee and propose. So I'm super excited. Obviously, they have no clue, right? So they don't know what to expect. So this is gonna be nice. It's gonna also be nice because I'm very sentimental. I literally spent all night. I put these together. I'm talking about waking up at 3 a.m. to finish little bits and pieces. So after work, I was rushing to stores. I'm like, this isn't gonna work. I like this. And then I'll go to another store looking for another product, and then I would find something even better that maybe it was a material I got previously. I'm like, you know what? This one is better, so now I will buy this one. So pretty much I literally thought everything through. It's simple what I chose to do, but you know, it's very hard. You know, I'm getting ready to go. Hold on. Let me grab a tissue. No, but seriously, everything that I did, even down to the bow, I literally looked through. I was going crazy trying to find the perfect bow so that it can look pretty. Now, yes, you can purchase some pre-made bridesmaid boxes online. However, you may get 2 or 3 items and they're kind of whack, for lack of a better term. You may get a robe, which those are nice, silk robes, really nice. But you'll get like a wine glass or a mirror, something stupid, right? Nothing's wrong with a mirror, but I'm like, I can go to the beauty supply myself. Anyways, I don't want to spend $30 and get like 2 things, you know. So if I'm gonna really spend $30, my boxes cost a little bit more than that. But if I'm gonna spend $30 on my boxes, then I want to be able to pick the items that I want to put in there. So that's what it came down to. So I'm gonna get into it, but literally, guys, I put heart and soul into it. And yeah, when you see it, you're like, oh, it's basic, but it's basic, but it's classy. I like it. So I'm gonna show you what it is. This one I kind of tugged on the string a little bit before the video, so ignore that one. But the other bows are very cute. But this, before I even start on it, this bow, and I'm gonna redo it before I give it to my bridesmaid, and obviously I'm not gonna post this video until after tonight. So, but this bow I got from Hobby Lobby, and it was in the wedding section, and it has like, I don't know how well the camera is displaying it, but it has like shimmers, but it's gold and silver shimmers to match along with this box. Now this box itself, and please ignore my bow, but this box itself I got from Target. I literally traveled from Target to Target to see if they had, I went to one Target, they had this box, right? But they only had 1, and they said, oh, you have to wait, and only 2 is gonna come in. I'm like, wait a minute, I need about 5 boxes. How about that? So I went to another Target, and I spent over an hour in there. I looked for the boxes, the team member looked for the boxes, and then they're like, well, do you have the item code? I'm like, no. So we looked it up online, couldn't find the item code. Anyways, it was a long process. The lady in the back shuffling through boxes, she finally found the boxes I needed. I was so thankful of that, and I was able to get the amount that I needed, so I was so happy about it. But I also got these tags. The tags are okay in person, I will tell you that. They're, you know, but they did help me to make a difference between whose box is this, whose box, you know. So when I give it to them, I know who I'm passing it along, and it's a reason for that. So definitely about to get into it so you can see when I put it into my box. So this is kind of funny, but it's not funny at all. I went to show you guys how I was going to take the bows off, and I definitely hit record and it wasn't recording, so ignore that. But basically, this fabric is very nice, but the one thing I don't like it is how stiff it is. It's like really stiff. And also I don't like how all of the glitter is literally falling off by the time it actually gets to who it's supposed to go to. Pretty much there's not going to be any glitter left. So anyways, I'm displaying a bridesmaid box. It's a regular bridesmaid box. And so I'm going to open it. Oh, no, I'm just kidding. So very simple. It kind of rotated when I was moving things around. So I got the bottle of bubbly. Yes, I did. From Myers. Obviously, you can go to any local grocery store and you can get, it typically comes in a 4-pack. I also saw these essential candles there. You can smell it. Oh, it smells so delicious. It's not edible. And it is sweet lemon. So it has a nice little fragrance to it. This is bath salt, guys, and it smells heavenly. So I went and picked out these cute little baby mason jars. Got back, went and purchased some nice sweet orange citrusy to go with the lemon bath salt, and it's kind of finely grinded up. It has little additional little additives to it. I don't know what the additives are. It looks cute. It looks sophisticated. So put that in there. I got a lot of shred paper. Somebody told me, why don't you just get some paper and shred it up? I'm like, yeah, I'm not gonna do that. Thanks. Anyways, this is something I ordered online. It's so cute. It's a cute little bling. It's a pin, you know, and yeah, it's kind of cool because it's a pin with bling. Yeah, self-explanatory. And then my final and favorite piece. Oh, I purchased some tumblers off of Amazon. Came in a 4-pack. Also, I also reached out to a vendor who had these where you can customize the decals. And if you guys want, I can leave the vendor in the description box. But yeah, you can personalize any of your drinking cups. I was gonna say drinks, but that wouldn't sound right. Drinking cups, mugs, thermos, whatever. You can customize it, right? So it's super cool. I had fun putting this together. I had a lot of fun. I really did. And pretty much you can hand wash it. It's not gonna come off. And then here you go with the chemical straw. So I like it. I think it's cute. I'm missing something. What am I missing? I forgot to show you my card. My card is super cute for the bridesmaids. It's, let me show you. So I got these cute, will you be my, why does this one has dust on it? Okay, I'm definitely not going to use that one. It came like 12 in a pack, and I got it on clearance at Joann Fabrics. But couldn't do it without you. Be my bridesmaid. Be my bridesmaid. No, couldn't do it without you. Be my bridesmaid. It does sound grammatically incorrect, but it was. I thought it was a cute card. I like the font on it. I like the old big things. Okay, so yeah, I thought it was kind of cool. Anyways, my attention span is like 2 seconds long, so that's that one. Now, moving along. My camera not focusing. Okay, that's that one. Now, moving along. to my maid of honor. I literally probably tied this so tight. And guys, when you go, if you do decide to do it this way, I literally really wrap these boxes up. If you decide to do it this way, you can, but you use more ribbon. So keep that in mind. I literally ran out of ribbon after the 4th box, and I told you I have an additional box. So I purchased the 30 yards of ribbon from Hobby Lobby for $7.99. Just if you want. Anyways, look at all that glitter, guys. Never too much. Actually, it is a lot of glitter. I do like glittery stuff, but not too much. Anyways, I thought this was cute. So I was purchasing, and it was getting to the point where it wouldn't fit in the box all the way, so I kind of have to return a few things. However, so this is my maid of honor box. Same type of ordeal. The tumbler, the customized tumbler, the blinkage pin, which I thought was like a cute little thing, you know, cute little, let it bling bling. Okay, anyways, put that back in there. Essential oil candle in lavender, which is my favorite. Got a cute, I got her a different jar because she's my maid of honor, and because the other ones came 4th pack, so it's just convenient. But actually this one has a little bit more bath salt in it. Okay. It's gonna shift the more I keep moving these boxes, and that's why it's a little bit crooked from what I had it previously. Obviously the straw here, and oh my god, this is like my favorite part. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, so Alex Nani, so you open that, right? You open the box, right? Don't shed a tear, guys, because this is so cute. So let me see if we try to zoom on in, you know, those camera skills. Okay, so it says maid of honor. And then, oh, don't that look cute with glitter, guys? It just glistens. So this is the Alex and Ani bangle. I looked up their bangles online to see the meaning, and it's just like, oh, we just want to exert positive, you know, positive energy, and just want to be positive. So positivity, you want to exert positivity. So just had to make sure where it was deriving from, you know. It says, my noble woman, noble with faith. Yes. If you flip it to the back, it says maid of honor. It says Alex Ryan. It says 5,061, 21, 78, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then some other stuff. But I thought this was so cute, so I'm just gonna kindly place it in the box. And then also they have that on Amazon as well. I tried to look at on Alex Nani's website. I did not see that, so it may be there, but it may not be there. So this is the cute little card. We create meaningful, eco-conscious jewelry and accessories to positively empower and connect humanity. We share a passion for the well-being of the planet and our community and our individuality. Alex and Ani products are proudly designed and crafted in America. We made with love. Our bridal collection. Blah, blah, blah. Swarovski, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, you guys can read this if you want to pause the thing, but I'm not, that's it. So, card goes back there. Cute little bangle goes back in the cute little bangle box. And the cute little bangle that goes in the cute little bangle box going in. Cute little bangle. Close that. And there you have it, guys. So, Alright guys, so thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Touch my heart. No, I'm just kidding. But I do appreciate all of the support that I've been getting, the new subscribers. Thank you so much. I'm actually thinking about doing a giveaway, so we'll see about that. We'll see. But thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.